Lay your chalk pastels flat on their side to apply color. Don't worry about covering every bit of paper. Overlapping and blending colors will help fill in all the gaps. To add shadows, try avoid using black. A better alternative is to use the complementary color. The complement of our orange vase is blue. The complement of our green pear is red. Complementary colors are opposite of each other on your color wheel. You can blend areas using one finger. Still try to keep all the colors inside the lines and only move the colors where you want them to go. Dispose of your chalk dust carefully. Put it into the trash can or onto a paper towel so you can throw it away later. Do not blow on your dust or shake it onto the floor. You can add unblended details onto your drawing, such as highlights, texture, or small areas like the dots on this pear. A kneaded eraser can be used to clean up smudges or any areas where you've gone outside your lines. For additional assistance, email us at info@icreateartkit.com.